take that back off, Pat. I don't know how to do that. It said that this should be really a 5-year-old, so you have to watch her. Would you get out her eyes?
No.
Yeah. Oh.
Now you can hug it. Now you can hug it.
Give her a hug.
She's so pretty.
Look,
She's
she has
so
a little
pretty.
bear.
She has a baby.
And her blankie. That's like Tallulah in the blankie.
I didn't see Tallulah yet.
She's somewhere.
You like your bear? Do you like him?
It's like a little doll.
What do you say?
It's like a little doll of Annabelle because
What-
she likes
Yeah.
Tallulah and she likes her blanket.
What do you say?
Tallulah,
Say thank you.
did you?
You're welcome, sweetheart. Happy birthday.
Give Grandma a kiss.
Early.
Thank you. Okay, now what, Mom?
Oh.